Hello everyone. Welcome to Channel Nitrix. Today unbox the device OnexFly Special Edition OnexFly EVA Limited Edition Handheld Gaming PC. The look at the initial impression after the OnexPlayer 2 Pro EVA co-brand model, OnexPlayer once again cooperates with EVA. The OnexFly EVA co-branded Aviator F1 model will continue with AMD Ryzen 7 and 7840U processor and screen size 7-inch 120Hz display. 64GB RAM and internal space 4TB type of SSD version. Original price is 8,999 yuan. After this discount, the expected price is 7,299 yuan. Very soon it will be available at a retail price in global markets, but that has not been determined yet.